Today I'm going to show you how to do a 2D ejection fraction for my left parasternal long axis image. Patient is in the left lateral decubitus position with their left hand above their head. The transducer is to the left of the sternum, second or third intercostal space, with the notch pointing at the right shoulder. What we're looking for is maximum diastole and maximum systole of the left ventricle. I'm going to cycle through my small video and get the left ventricular internal dimension at its biggest, which is like this. I'm going to measure the right ventricle in diastole, the inner edge to inner edge of the right ventricle, the interventricular septum from leading edge to leading edge, the left ventricular internal dimension in diastole, inner to inner, and the left ventricular posterior wall, leading to leading. I also measure a generic aortic sinus measurement, or the sinus of Valsalva. These are the 5 measurements that you need to do for this particular image. Using the same image, now I want maximum systole. So I'm going to get the interventricular septum and posterior wall to contract as much as I can, and the chamber being at its smallest. I watch the aortic valve. Usually the best one is once the aortic valve opens, the frame the aortic valve opens. Normal measurements for this are left ventricular internal dimensions in systole, the left atrium at its biggest, and the LVOT, or left ventricular outflow tract diameter, which is annulus to annulus. These are the 3 measurements we want to see here. As you see, it calculates an ejection fraction by 2 different methods.